What's up everyone, I'm Andrew and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add variable products right in WooCommerce without any additional plugins. So how you can have different sizes and different colors with of course different images and different prices. So let's get started. So I have this store here which is for one of my tutorials on creating a website with WooCommerce. You can just check that out. And now we're just going to add a new product which we will be using it for adding the variations. So I just bring products and add new, and we're just going to call it awesome shirt, and just for the description we're just going to add an awesome shirt. So now we want to make it a variable product and add the variations. And the very first step is to just change this product data from simple product into variable product. So now that it's variable product, we can add variations. But of course, you get this message meaning that you should first add the attributes. So whenever you want to create a variable product and add the variations, you have to first add the attributes. And the attributes are the things that are going to vary. For example, the size or the color or the text on the shirt. So here we're just going to add a new one, a custom attribute. We have color and size by default, but you can also add custom attributes. So in this case, I'm just going to add color here and size. But we can just add a custom attribute here. For example, we are just going to call it design, and we can just have a design. So then you have to, of course, add the terms and different values that your variation can get. For example, for the design, we want to have with flower, and then I'm just going to add the second type, and then for this you have to use the pipe character. So it's on your keyboard. You probably have to hold the shift and just press it, and you get this vertical bar here, or the pipe character. So we can have with flower and no flower. So these are going to be the values for the design. And for the size, we can just add, for example, large and medium and small. So we have it by default. And also for the color, I'm just going to add, let's just search white. It doesn't have white. So we can just add a new one here. So white and red. So we have white and red and large and medium and small, and with flower, no flower. I'm just adding this one so that you see how you can add your own variations. And then we want to check the used for variations checkbox for all of them used. So you have to check all of them and then save the attributes. So we have 3 attributes here, and now I can just click on variations, and then we can just click on create variations from all attributes. That's what you want to do, and just click on go. You get a message, a pop-up message here. You can just click on OK, and you get all of the variations. So I'm just getting 12 variations because of course I have 2 colors and 3 sizes and 2 designs. So that's 2 times 3 times 2, which we get 12 total variations here. That's a lot. And then you can just enter the information for each one of them. And now they do not have prices, so as it says, they will not be shown in the store. But we can just start adding the prices. You can just open each one of them, and then you can just add the image. So in this case, I'm just going to upload an image here, the red t-shirt. So we have it for the red and large. And then we can just add the price, for example, $10. Sorry, this is the sale price. I just have to enter the regular price. You can have sale price independently for each variation. For example, for the red, and we're just going to set it only $8, and that's okay. So we have it for this one, and you just have to enter it for each variation. So again, we have red. I can just add it and again $10, but no sales. So the large red with no flowers is not on sale. So we have it. You can just add it for each one of them. I'm just going to do it very quickly. And now we can just add a featured image for the whole product, not for the individual variations. Fine. And we also have to select the default values. Here we have white, medium, no flowers. So you always want to have the default values here. And now I can just publish my shirt. And now if I just bring it, you can see that we have color, and we have size, and we have design, and by default it's actually white, medium, no flower. And of course the image is changing based on the variation, and also the price will change based on the variation, and that's what we want. We also have the range of the prices here. Super awesome. That's it, everyone. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more WordPress content. And like always, you can reach out to him from the link in the description.